Hello everybody. So today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about the angle between the vectors. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about cosine alpha equals to vector A and vector B. We use about the dot product over the magnitude of vector A multiplied by the magnitude of vector B. So in this one, we can put the number in here. So we have vector A 1, negative number 4, number 1, the dot product 0, 6, negative number 6. So about vector A, we have the square root. We have 1 square plus negative number 4 to the power of 2 plus number 1 square. And the second one, we have 0 square plus 6 to the power of 2 plus negative number 6 to the power of 2. So this one, we have number 1 multiplied by number 0 plus negative number 4 multiplied by number 6 and number 1 multiplied by negative number 6. And we know that this one we put in here. And now we need to calculate this one. So we have negative number 5 over 6. And we know that alpha equal to a cosine of negative number 5 over 6. And this is approximate about 146.44 degrees. We know that this number is higher than 90 degrees. So in this situation, we can use about 180 degrees. We minus about this one. And we have about 33.56 degrees. Why do we need to use this way? So for example, so we know that the angle we just calculate in here, that is about 146.44 degrees. If we want to find this angle in here, because we want to find the smallest one, so we have 180 degrees in here. We minus this angle in here, and we have this angle in here. And this is the final answer in case this angle is greater than 90 degrees. That is the end. Thank you for watching.